not a photo. Okay, today I'm gonna show y'all how to ride a scooter. So yeah, let's go. Guys, I'm gonna go one more time and that's it. So yeah, let's go. Another time. Okay guys, this is the end of the video, so peace, bye.